The first prototype of the National Combat Aircraft, which entered the final assembly line, was displayed at Thai facilities. President of Defense Industry Professor Dr. Ismail Demir shared the images of MMU's prototype that entered the final assembly line and the video about the ceremony on social media. Industry and Technology Minister Mustafa Varank in his parliamentary budget speech. With the technologies we have developed, Turkey has become one of the 4 countries that can drive its own torpedo from a submarine with its own war management system. We have successfully produced the mission computer of our national combat aircraft, which will be a 5th-generation warplane, and delivered it to Thai ahead of time. Our engineers also developed the multi-core version of the real-time operating system running on this highly strategic state-of-the-art mission computer. Turkey is in the final stage of assembling a prototype of what would be the game-changing fighter jet. Turkish media reported that the first prototype of the country's first indigenously developed fighter jet entered the final assembly line at Thai facility. The new combat aircraft is called the MMU, Milli Muharip Yusuk, and is planned to leave the hangar in 2023. The first part of the production of the MMU was completed in November 2021. The MMU aircraft is planned to be kept operational in the Turkish Air Force inventory until 2070s and will be interoperable with other critical assets such as F-16. The MMU Indigenous Design and Development Program prime contract between the Undersecretariat for Defense Industries, SSM, of the Ministry of Turkish National Defense and Turkish Aerospace has been signed on 5 August 2016. MMU aircraft will be a multi-role aircraft, designed mainly for an air-to-air roles with consideration to air-to-surface roles as well. Delivered 6 F-110 GE-129 engines for the first 3 prototypes, the MMU is scheduled to leave the hangar on March 18, 2023. The first part production of the MMU was completed in November 2021.